This is another snapshot video for Wing It from the American Printing House for the Blind, where the future belongs to everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about zooming and panning with Wing It on both iOS and on the Monarch. So, on the iOS application, I'm going to start out by just kind of goofing off and drawing an abstract diagram here. And so like what I'm doing is I'm putting a circle in the center that's fully solid, and I'm just drawing some lines from it. At first, this could be a courtyard. This could be directions. These lines could be a path. But really what I'm wanting to show is how we can move the canvas and, well, should I say pan the canvas so we can draw more with Wing It. So if I go to the View menu and hit Pan, I can then use my finger to move the entire drawing, or pan, should I say, pan the entire canvas over. And it allows me to draw on a new area. So I'm panning the whole image to the left, and I'm adding a rectangle into the side. So this could be, if you imagine a campus map, or say it's a campus that this is a building and maybe this is a pathway, in the center is a courtyard, and I'm panning to the right now, or to the left. I'm panning actually the canvas to the right. And so then I'm going to draw just basically another rectangle here. And again, this could represent a building, or this could be even just a larger diagram. Actually, when I'm finished with it, it kind of looks like the chassis of an automobile, or the front, where you're looking at that cross section, maybe even heavy barbells or something like that. So right now I'm taking the pencil tool and I'm just going to close this in. So we get kind of a cool, again, abstract image of two rectangles connected with a line and a circle in the center. So again, this could be whatever you guys imagine. I might see something that's space related here as well. So once I'm finished drawing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the Monarch, and I'm going to show Visual Braille first, just what it looks like with the Braille pens up. So here, I've got just a pretty good grasp, and using the D-pad, I can go left, right, up, down, very similar to the Tactile Graphics image library. I can move around this image, and a student can independently navigate separate from the iOS application. Now, when a teacher starts drawing or starts making a change on the iOS application, it will bring the student back to that position. But the student can independently look around, and they can use zoom in and zoom out features. So the plus and the minus keys on the Monarch allow a student to kind of go out at multiple zoom levels. And that's something that has been a requested feature with the Tactile Graphics image library, to have more than one zoom level. And with Wing It, we're able to do that. And with Braille labels, if we chose, we could add a Braille label onto this, which will be covered in a later video. But if you had Braille here, it stays consistent. So the Braille labels are separate from this, and they actually don't change. So we can adjust the graphics and keep the Braille at the same ratio. But what's really neat is you can really zoom out pretty much infinitely until it's just a blob. And you can come back in the same way you can do very much on a computer with a digital paint product. So this is just a very versatile way to change the way we're drawing with Tactile Graphics and the way students can explore with them. And this is panning and zooming with Wing It. This has been a Wing It snapshot video from your friends at the American Printing House for the Blind and Humanware.